Hi guys, you are welcome to another amazing video. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make this wonderful hair treatment oil. This oil is very good. It's an oil that is extracted from aloe vera. We garnished it with other ingredients and you are going to like it. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop it in the comments section. So this oil made with aloe vera is very good because aloe vera contains enzymes, contains minerals and vitamins that helps to nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair. This oil is very good for your hair. You wouldn't want to miss out on this oil, but I will always tell you to find a regimen that works for you because we have different types of hair texture and all that. So here I have my aloe vera. I'll clean it properly with water and to get rid of dirt and anything that is on the skin, and then I'll make sure that I remove the yellow liquid in the aloe vera. So I will trim the sides out and slice my aloe vera into small chunks. You can see that yellow liquid, so it is necessary you remove it because it's not good for your hair. So wash your aloe vera properly and slice it into smaller chunks. So that's what I'm doing. I will slice everything into smaller chunks. So after that, I transferred the aloe vera into a clean water in another bowl so that I can clean my aloe vera properly. You would want whatever you are using for your hair to be properly cleaned and hygienic for your hair. So I transferred it into fresh water, washed properly because the first one is dirty. Next thing to do is to move your aloe vera into your blender for blending. So I am transferring my aloe vera into my blender. Then I will add my oil for blending. Please do not blend with water, blend with oil. You do not want to have water in your oil, so it is necessary you blend with oil. You can use any oil of your choice: coconut oil, castor oil, any oil of your choice. Here I am using olive oil. I am transferring 250 ml of my olive oil into the aloe vera. So after transferring my oil, I am blending it now into a fine puree so that it will be ready for frying. Then I'm blending my aloe vera. After blending, I'll transfer it into my cooking pan. This is it. I've transferred everything into my cooking pan. Please do not rinse your blender and pour into the pan. Just transfer whatever you have in the blender into the pan. So here I've transferred to my stove and I'm going to cook it on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes until the oil separates from the aloe vera. So just watch. I will keep stirring it as it's cooking. It will take a little time, but cook patiently. Cook on low heat so that your oil will cook properly and last longer. So like I said, aloe vera has vitamins and you do not want to damage those vitamins, minerals and enzymes with heat. So it is necessary that you cook on low heat so that you will still have your active ingredients in the aloe vera. So our oil is cooking, and as you are looking at it, you can see that it is separating gradually. Here it has separated completely, and I will keep stirring until I have everything. So you can see the oil has separated from the aloe vera, and if you look at it, it is not burnt. It's cooked properly. It's cooked very well. So our aloe vera oil is almost ready. We are going to take this down from the heat, keep it aside to cool, and then after cooling we will sieve the oil. So my oil is ready, our aloe vera oil is ready. This is the right way, this is the proper way to make your aloe vera oil, so that you can have the active ingredients and everything you need present in the oil. So I'm going to take it down and let it cool for some minutes. So I will let this cool, and then I will sieve it and transfer to my bottle. So this oil is very healthy for your hair, since it is extracted from your natural aloe vera, and it is good for hair growth. It is good for nourishment of your scalp, and it is very good for strengthening your hair. So a combination of olive oil and aloe vera is very, very good for your hair. So I have transferred my aloe vera, my oil, to a sieve, and I will let it sieve properly. I will let it sit there and drain into the plate. So this is what it looks like. This is it. As you can see, the oil is out. This, from the 2 medium-sized aloe vera that we sliced, this is what we have. So look at the oil. You can see the color. It's looking very nice. It's looking very good. Do not burn your oil when cooking. Like I said, cook on low heat. Now take a good look at this. This is so nice. One more thing, I am going to garnish our aloe vera oil with mint oil. So the mint oil is going to give it that soothing effect to the scalp. If you are having itchy scalp, then you should add a few drops of mint oil to your aloe vera oil. So I have added this to my aloe vera oil. I'm going to stir and mix. Then I will transfer the oil into my storage jar so that it doesn't spill. I will be using a funnel, and I will transfer everything into my storage jar. Guys, this oil is very good. It's a bomb. You can always read more on aloe vera and see the benefits of aloe vera to your hair. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I post a new video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.